Thank you for joining us for today's important event. We are gathered here today to engage in a vital dialogue on the ongoing struggles for women's rights in Afghanistan. The recent actions of Taliban, including their severe restrictions on women's rights, have led to a heightened suppression of women's personal freedoms, curtailing their access to education, employment, and basic human rights. These actions have impacted the daily lives of millions of Afghan women whose courage and resilience continue to inspire the global community. Today's event brings together Afghan women's perspective from both inside Afghanistan and in exile, as well as global leaders who will address these challenges and offer solutions to ensure that Afghan women's voices are heard and their rights upheld. As we come to close end of today's session, I want to extend a sincere thank you to all of our speakers and participants for your time, insights, and commitment to this critical cause. Your voices are so important, and we are truly grateful for your contributions. Thank you again for being part of this meaningful conversation. While today's dialogue is ending, our commitment to the Afghan women's struggle does not. We will continue to stand together, amplify their voices, and work toward a future where Afghan women can live freely and without fear. I also want to take a moment to thank all of our incredible co-hosts for making this event possible. Your collaboration is deeply appreciated. And finally, Faraghi leadership will be taking the lead and following up on today's discussions, making sure that the momentum we have built today translates into real, tangible actions for the women in Afghanistan. Last but not the least, we have bios of the speakers and our delegates here on the table, and also the report on the table if anyone would like to receive. Thank you so much, and we look forward to what we can achieve together in the coming months. Thank you.